When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on. All my love will keep you warm to the coldest night, through the wind, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is move, and I'll be here with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and dim, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you.